Welcome, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed number one educational speaker in the whole world is your host with the most. Happy Sunday, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are subscribing. So subscribe 11. Go back and subscribe, Mofit. Go back and subscribe. Yabo, because ngishilo ukuthi no one is safe. As long as Appa is here, no one is safe, bafethu. Ngiyazuma and I educate. Yangithola. Ayikho iflop esingatholi education kuyo. Everything that is flop bafethu asithatheni njenge education esike sibheke sitikide. Yabo. Ngishilo ngathi no one is safe, especially my brothers and sisters who are ex-convict. Yangithola. Ngibabhekile ngasho ngathi hey siyagula. Sidinga usizo. Just nje most of us we are too arrogant to accept ukuthi eragula bafethu. Yabo, izinto zayenzeka abantu bayashuta lana ama ex-convict. Ayaphanda the way baphanda ngakhona, bayakhuluma the way bakhuluma ngakhona, but bese ngishilo ukuthi bafethu kunalabo ekumele sibabheke. And thanks God they are exposing themselves. Little by little. Angibajahanga ngeke ngiphushe umuntu noma ngimzumile. Ngeke ngimphushe ngithi hey vela, hey wena uyagula, hey wena uyile problem bengikhuluma ngayo. No. They will expose themselves. Because when I'm over exposure, bayibhekisa ngakuwe lento. Hey unomona, hey abantu abanomona abakhuluma kanjena, ekubeni uyazi yena ukuthi ngikhuluma iqiniso. So for the sake of the community and for the sake of my young boys and girls, hayi ngeke basishashaye mina ngathula. Ngeke basishashaye mina ngathula. Because kumele si-accept bafethu. I-ex-convict malethe leshintshile kanti aleshintshanga. I-danger leyo. Danger right there. Because lo muntu sizomtrusta simsondeze abanye bethu sihamba ikolo. Yabo? So baphambi kwabantwana bethu laphaya. Kanti wena une secret agenda. Yabo? So not mina ngibhekile. Futhi mase ngihleli la ku locker room ye Uppercut Podcast. Hi, I'm not scared, Papa. You can't touch me. Yabona? Ayibizwa nje i-locker room for nothing. So as ngishilo ukuthi no one is safe, please subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Uzokwazi ukuthi every Sunday uvuke ne video. I promised ukuthi we deliver, we're gonna deliver, and we will always deliver. Yangithola. Thank you very much. Hey bafethu. Ngishase phezulu leyo. Kune video la yakamabhoza ayenzile recently ku TikTok. Yabo? I wish ukuthi uyimamele le video kancane nje.
Hi Mabhoza wase-TV Mr. Tubika. Yebo bafethu ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale podcast kaSkim GP. I-podcast kaSkim GP bafethu ipromote crime eSouth Africa. Siloku sithulile isikhathi eside sibhekile. Always abantu abaya laphayana bayokhuluma ukuthi bebabulala abantu kanjani. Bathina abantu abashonelwe. Bafethu uSkim GP upromote crime kule podcast yakhe. Asikhulumi singayilele sisabe ukuthi mhlambe sizobulawa uzodutshulwa. Skim GP is promoting crime eSouth Africa. Bonke abantu abaya laphayana ba-proud ngobutsotsi baba babenzile, abanye bakhuluma ukuthi bona bebalala namadoda ejeli, and futhi le iboshwe ziya lapha kuSkim GP ziqindezela iboshwa ezisemajele because kubaningi abantu abenza ama life sentence ababoshwe ngaboma 90 abakaphumi namanje emajele because of the podcast kaSkim GP. So kuyaze kuningi sazokhuluma
Yangithola. And then now wenze lo muntu lo ngakhohlwa ukuthi uMabhoza wase TV ubuya ku Skim GP podcast against the wall. Not once but twice. Yabo, for the first time wa insult abantu, wa insult abomaphorisa lana thi DJ Maphorisa udlabanya abantwana indunu ini. Alokwazi uMabhoza ukuthi amanga leyo nto ayishoyo ngomunye umuntu. Yabo?
Bubu bufakazi why ukuthi abantu bangena ngedunizer
bayashayana mngani abuphuri laba abadlali bayashaya abafana
Sibophisa. Hayi ngeke. Uporipori kanjani?
bayashaya bodaliwonga mfethu
Yeah.
baba ngibatshela hayi ukuthi ngikhuluma lana kuwe mngani wami angikhulumi lana
uyabona ukuthi uwisa dignity yomuntu lento le yabo akanaki ifamily yalo muntu akanaki abangani balo muntu akanaki abantu elomuntu asebenza nabo you understand so wena sowuvela nje ukhuluma amanga lapha ku the biggest platform of them all against the wall wabuya kwesithu yabo aqolisa lapha I wish naye wemamele
Kanjani mfana?
uyavala leya muntu lena but ngibonile ukuthi kamampela ibhoze South Africa leya muntu
Yeah.
because uyabona uma ungasukela uDJ Maphorisa
Yeah.
uhlala zonke into akhe ivalekile but uyabona kusimvu eyiwalo ukukhuluma bonke abantu bayakhala bomni abantu abaningi bayakhala uyamuthi ukuthi uphethe industry ngiyazibuza ukuthi uyini Godfather or in but nje awungivaleke
uQuincy Jones.
hayi ziyakhala mfethu sengicabanga nokuxolisa kuye mfethu ekuthembi
yabo uzowazi ukuthi manje uthola ukuthi labantu laba banjani specifically uMabhoza wase TV uzibiza kanjalo angazi nale gama lithatha kuphi because it does not live up to the name itself mina bengicabanga ukuthi uMabhoza wase TV uza ngepositivity kanti uza ngenegativity ubuyile futhi athi no uyaqolisa kuMabhoza and then uscheme i-host against the wall amnika umsebenzi amphandela umsebenzi because yena uyalamba uyasokola and ubona ukuthi angazi ayophana ngendono ngenxa ye desperation yomsebenzi ufuna noma umuphi kusisholo yena
kwamele iphele mfethu
Walile ngendunu wena. Walile ngendunu.
Esho kwamele ngize ngibagaye this time mfethu yabona ukuthi mfethu sifuna ukudla sifuna ukuhlafuna nami sengicaba ukuthi once ke ofunayo makasho Mabhoza awusihleplele lapho
Alright osizwa akeze nevaslina uMabhoza wase TV. Utyakunye.
yabona makaqeda wenza le video manje ukuthi uSkim GP abantu abayalapha yana ba promote i-crime and what not.
This was after he went there.
This is after he went there twice, my brother. Young child. So my question to him is, kusho ukuthi wena upromote i-crime wena njengoba uya lapha ufunani lapha wena mangabe abantu balapha bapromote i-crime wena ufunani lapha or wena upromote i-crime uyi-one all ama guest you want to say promote i-crime uyapeta bhuti uyapeta and to me you came across umuntu onejealous umuntu onomona umuntu onenhliziyo embi bhuti wami umuntu odesperate umuntu bekaqabanga ukuthi makaba famous uzothola imali uke wayibona phi leyo nto hayi bhuti uqola intuthu la wena uqola ijele la wena lesaqole kuwe ile sickness ebengikhuluma yasejele ukuthi you want to cover the score ufuna ukuphusha ngespeed ngoba lo muntu lo sekaphandile nawe angeke akuhlule ufuna ukuphanda fast so in the way you are stepping on other people's toes baba which is wrong mfethu ubani lapha yana opromote crime yabo ene ngiyakuzwa kule video yakho wena ukhuluma ngokuthi noma bangakudubula who's gonna shoot you who said anything about shooting why did you think about that how did you come to think about that ukuthi wena uzodutshulwa uyicabange kanjani leyo nto so ukuya ngami angeke ungirobhe Mabhoza and angeke ngivume urobha abantu umbhekile uyangithola bhuti wami bheka la wena uwo othela ama threat wena you are threatening us when you are threatening people from Against the Wall podcast because no one okhuluma ngesibhamu wena sokhuluma ngaso before anyone.
Yes. You're the one with the gun.
Wanthola you're the one with the gun my brother uwo okhuluma ngebhamu la ungasifaki thina kulezo ngoba nathi siqakwe yilezi mfethu thina sifuna positivity mfethu yabo when uyibone phi lento promote crime lapha and you won't prove it Brian angeke uyiprove so yakhuluma nje ngoba ufuna nokuvula i-podcast wena uthi uzodila ngala ma issue there is no issue there we are telling our stories you told your story nawe ukuthi ubaba wakho uqeshe wakudobeka ukugijimisa ngesibhamu angithi afuna ukukudobula nami umntwana osoba mfethu ngamdobula hayi nami ngingamdobola umntana oso because unenhliziyo embi mfana semzini uwisa abantu yabo uSkim ukwenzeni mfowethu ukwenzeni uSkim ngoba uwe oza kuye uSkim akakaza kufonela athi Maposa I need this favor usmart enough ukubona ukuthi ngeke afune ifavor ku uSkim yangithola wena no uyamkrapa ukrapa izinto zakhe. You know what, my brother, let me teach you something. There are people who are gonna admire you, you know, are inspired with things that you are doing, but there are people who are gonna be envy of you. So when I inspire Skim, it's not a problem, but when I am Khalel Skim, that's where the danger is, Baba. I am Khalel umuntu okhalayo dangerous kakhulu, because now you want to cut the Skim head.
Yes.
Yabona kufakwe yakhe laphayana and everything that belongs to uSkim it belong kuye. Uyangithola uyamkhalela and abantu abanjalo bazisondeza kuwe. Mase baphambi kwakho kambe bakunyanya information bafuna anything ebhedayo. You understand that? Yeah, they are spying in fact. So umuntu onjalo dangerous bafethu. Yabo uzamile umusic amapiano bekafuna ukukhuphuka ngo DJ Maphorisa.
Oh
yeah bekafuna ukukhuphuka ngaye uyabona so manje uyabheda makaqola sengifikile ngidla abantwana ngoba uhlala dakiwe mos you are always drunk my brother, you can't make it in music uzoyenza nje kula bangani bakho mfowethu. So uyabona ukuthi leyo ihlulile yo music so uza ngama podcast manje ngamagama wabantu boza ngo music uza ngegama lika Maphorisa so uza nge podcast ufuna ukuvula i-podcast yabona uza ngegama lika Skim manje because you know ukuthi manje i-heavyweight when coming to podcast. You understand? So lento leyo uyibizana mfethu wena ukhuluma abantu kabi ukuthi wena uthola ama followers yabona. Come on my brother,
you want to replace the people.
No, it is not how it is gonna work my brother. You are a danger, especially with entertainment industry. Abantu abangasebenza nawe kodwa ambasengozini yabo ngibona uzodwa wabantu so busy emva kwazodwa wabantu Skim zodwa team zodwa this zodwa watch out for that monkey please my sister, watch out. You are doing your thing honestly and no one is doing your thing, but lawyers faka yena uyazifaka yena ku craft yakho ngamuzwa athi team zodwa wabantu kusho ukuthi nawe uzolemala sisi mawusebenza noMaposa. Uyazibonela nawe ukuthi mawungayenza izinto azifunayo wenzani. Uyazibonela nawe wabona even the lady that is dating bafethu uzolemala sisi ukumbheke kahle lo muntu wakho uMaposa wase TV umbheke kahle ubheke indlela zakhe umuntu wakho angakuyisela enkingeni ungafana nomuntu wakho if umuntu wakho i-alcoholic ngoba yena uMaposa uyi-alcoholic uyazazi hleze ephuzile he can't do anything angaphuzanga yabona. So siswami ubheke nawe ngiyacela umbheke kahle umzume ummamele every word ayikhulumayo mhlambe nawe uyakhalela kuloku boyfriend yakho yabona uyakhalela nawe. That is why bekayenza ivideo athi mina ever since ngibuye ejele ngiphandile senginedladla senginendlu mawumuntu ekhuluma engathi abanye bona they are stupid. Ama ex-convict abuye ejele anganazindlu ngoba yena unayo unamanga kakha ngindlu akathenganga indlu akathenganga imoto uyaprovide usisi ahlala naye ajola naye uyaprovidelwa. So wena masawuthi ezakho lezo zinto uyabona sisi ukuthi lo muntu unejealous nawe uyabona ukuthi lo muntu uyakhalela ufisa ngathi kube ezakhe yena kube uyo oshaya isiginqo uyambo usange negativity kuwe sisi ngiyakutshela mina as a number 1 educational speaker as number 1 zoomer bengizothi suka kulo muntu baningi amajita abhadlile la lo ukhuluma kakhulu mhlawumbe umgcomelele yonto ukuthi ukhuluma kakhulu and bekadakiwe makakushela. Those are the kind of people abashela mabedakiwe kuphela yabo makaqeda izinto azipromisile kuwe ukuthi uzoziphatha kahle akasazenzi yabo. So mina I won't be pushing him all together in the entertainment industry, but there ulahlekile akuseyakho mfana semzini le industry, but nawe kunala mina ngingakuphushela khona ngoba mina ngiyazi uma ngibhekile kunalawo ongafita khona nje. So mina ngifuna ukumplaga ngakuplaga mfana semzini ku-industry le, but in your department, the suitable department for you Maposa wase-TV, hamba ku-campus dance body. Uyangithola? Hamba ku-campus dance. Nami ngingakuplaga nginabafana bami laphayana e-Rosebank abaperformayo every weekend. Yabo? Ngakuplaga nami mfowethu. Because now you are good at making noise. Yabona? But awukhuluma izinto ezi-right mngani wami. Usibonisa inhliziyo yakho, expose wena mawuthi uyakhuluma. Yabona? So ama-campus dance, I think they will use your voice ngoba kufuneka leya voice uzu we bafana wozani kutu kufuneka leyo voice yakho. Not for amapiano music. No. Because now ubonisa abafana bethu ukuthi bakulandele wenza into right, which you are wrong, uyenza ngendlela wrong, wenza into kungaseyakho. Music is not your thing. Even podcasting but is not your thing.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm telling you now, it's not your thing. Wabona wena nje ufita kuma-campus dance board. Until leyo ingena la angeke wenze imali wena. Because manje uyila abantu laba abanengqondo yokuthi if you are famous automatically you're gonna have money. Ayisebenzi njalo. You must know your craft and you must be sober to perfect your craft, because uperformela abantu wenzela abantu la. Wena umaphorisa usuccessful mawubona phuza nawe soyaphuza. Ayenziwa leyo nto phela wami. Uyangithola? Ayenziwa leyo nto. Ungakuthi mawuloku ukhuphuka uloku unyathela abantu wena. Injani? Don't step on people's toes, baba, if you want to go up. Yabo? Ngiyakutshela mfana semzini, ngicela uzibambe lapho. Nibaningi awusuwe one. Khona omunye engingamuzwa la. Skim GP podcast promote crime. Hey, promote crime. But after skhathi ngimbona lapho yena. The very same person bekarasa. Ayenza ivideo ku TikTok ukuthi lapha yana abantu abalapha aba promote crime. Ensingithi akusomapoza kuphela baningi. But umuntu nomuntu uzo-expose ngela, mina will just help people. Wabona ngizobasiza nje vele mina ukuthi abantu babe ne-validation ukuthi vele kwenza so wrong wena. Bakubonile abantu Maposa even before mfana semzini, but bebangana sure. Ngingayenzi content noMaposa. Wabona? Ukubonisa ukuthi mawusebenza nayo senkingeni. Ngingayenzi content na. I was the director. I did everything. Yena nje umsebenzi wakhe was to act. And then why act leyo nto. Yabona? Sharp. Before ngithi ngisendele yona, ngizokwazi ukuyedita ngepost mina ngendlela right, because there on that content the message was ukuthi abantu babone kunabantu abadala abanganangqondo. But intwana ezincane ezingabakhuza. Because bekunentwana zami zekwitsho music lapha. Yizo bese involved. Yabona? Esikhozayo in. Mina the content was that. Yabona? Ne, the following day yena makumele asendele kimi, uyayiposta yena uzibophe ngamabhandishi la. Athi look what Abba did to me. And more so, ubhala Skim GP event. Ungenapho Skim la. Ngoba nami uyipost engakavumelani naye, and the content bekungamelanga ehambe kanjalo, bekunendlela yokuhambisa mina. Indlela right ezobonisa imessage. You understand? Yena wakhetha ukufuna ama views, ama likes ngayo. You understand?
Opportunist.
Yeah, opportunist angithi.
Better.
Uyabona? Bheku apungenzeni. Come on my brother. He wanted to take me down. Yena up. But I can assure you he never succeeded. He never succeeded because people can see through his eyes, man. Uyabona? Umuntu makunento off ngaye, abantu bayabona. just they are not so sure. You understand? Abantu bayabona.
You don't trust their intuition.
Yeah. Uyabona? Manje baya-expose abantu sibanika isikhathi. So mina I'm just saying nje mase ngizoyivala yabo ukuthi hayi Maphosa phra wami noma ubani ozosebenza nawe kumele agqoke i-bulletproof ngoba wena uyadubulana wena uthembisa ukudubulana indirect wena and we snake mfana semzini we snake because you went to Skim GP podcast twice and at the second time you were apologizing and in need of a job wena ukhuluma de wolamba ngakhona kusuka lapho wena soyabuya futhi uthi promote crime abantu abayalapha kanjani
Probably because you didn't get the job that you
yeah or uwe kuphela unga promote crime ufuna ukusho kanjani uwe kuphela oyalapha kule podcast wena upromote crime wena nabo malume bakho enikhuluma le podcast kabi if you don't understand the vision bafethu if you don't see the vision please bafethu shut up.
Yes.
Shut up and learn. You understand, my brother? It's not your place to talk. You don't know what you're gonna say. But when you just talk for the sake of talking, no, bafethu. Awumeka kancane Maphosa. Suke emabhozeni mfana semzini. Sikubonise. Suke emabhozeni usendaweni wrong, my brother. Uzohlothoza. Yabo, uzohlothoza and uzohlothozisa abanye abantu.
Yes.
Yabo. Intwana esibhekile manje sicabanga ukuthi is a good way to go leyo. Ufana nalabantu abathi bona babuye esigele se-YouTube. Yabona? But the way bayenza izinto ngakhona bakhulumela abantu amanga.
Yes. They like ethic.
Yeah. Bakhulumela abantu amanga. Baprint izinto engasizo ngamagama abantu. Come on bafethu. Lo muntu onifundisayo lapha yana kusho ukuthi naye ngathi ngizomblame. If iqiniso lento ukuthi nibuye esikolweni se-YouTube because you don't act like ones guys. Angeke. Singahlala si-debate bafethu the whole day. Never. Nifunda wrong lapha yana. Niloko nibeka ama-capture wrong abantu phezulu. Come on bafethu. Come on. Yabo. And I wish abantu bangayibona lento engiyibonayo. But ngizobabonisa mina. Keep bafethu ubukele Uppercut podcast. Ngizombonisa mina. With peace.
Yes.
With respect. With love. Because I also love nayo Maphosa nje as a person.
Yes.
Yabona, I don't have a crush. Hence I wanted to work with him.
Yes.
Yabona, before I know him better. Yabona, wangibonisa ama-flames. Wajabulisa abantu abangangithandi. Bathi nangu apha uyalwa. Sitheni marinabo labo bantu abana proof nabo.
Yes.
Yabona ma uyi-headless chicken uzolandelwa ama-headless chicken.
Yes.
Because bazo believe lento ekhulumayo. Ongilethi ufind wena namanga. Cela uyeke mfana semzini uphume la ungazomasha amagama abantu mfethu la. Thina we are here for positivity. We are here for intwana ezincane mfethu. Sisizane. Mhlawumbe nenqosi Maphosa or nabashana mfethu. We are here for them. Manje bazothini mababona babe better. Ubabe vela ngeyihlamahlama every day. Makathi uvela e-TV. Makathi uvela ushoot ama-video dayiwe. Siyakuzuma mfethu. Siyakubona. Yabo, uyingozi mfana semzini. Yabo. Don't be ungabe envy nabantu. Be inspired. Not envious. Right?
Yes.
That's a good English.
Yeah, that's the word.
Yeah.
Don't
Be inspired
envious.
by people. Don't be envious. Because it makes you dangerous. You are a potential killer wena.
Yes.
Because if umuntu azothe asibulale lo muntu uzovuma wena. Because uyamkhalela ufuna ukudelete lo muntu kube uwe. Uhlulwa yini ukuzenzela lezi zinto azenzayo?
Yes.
Uhlulwa yini ukuzenzela zakho? Uhlulwa yini?
Honestly so.
Ubuhamba la namapolitiki so umkhonto wesizwe la uhamba ngegipa zomkhonto wesizwe uyabona ukuthi yanhlanhlathu le ukhithimisa imali uphazamisa abantu
Like a headless chicken.
like a headless chicken you are my brother. You understand? So bengingathanda ukuthi more especially abantu abafana naye uyangithola abantu abafana noMabhoza wase TV bafethu nayi incwadi engakusolvela inkinga going forward, finding the self uyangithola, a guide to a spiritual growth. Yabona uzokwazi kuba spiritual intelligence, uqabangela abanye abantu mfana semzini, uzokwazi ukuthi izinto inkulumo ezimbi zenzani abantu.
Yes.
Uyangithola. I love you good people. Please subscribe, please support. You know, I once said even if ungawabukela ama video wethu ungasubscribe, because one day uzothola i-notification ye video yethu only to find that's the video you were looking for,
The one that you needed.
the one that you needed at that particular time. Apa, you're reigning, defending, undisputed #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Phansi ngoMabhoza.